Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I have here a couple of scenarios, couple of deals for you guys that you should take advantage of. I'm already starting to stutter. That you should take advantage of if you have the right CRTs and if you have the right coupons. Go ahead and take advantage of them. Remember, these deals are going to be good until Saturday the 18th. So you have until Saturday if you decide you want to do these deals. So let's go ahead and start the video. Remember, these are just a few. We do have a pretty good amount of deals this week, but these are just the best in my opinion. So starting off with the Dove, the Degree, the Schmidt's deodorants, or the dry sprays are going to be buy one, get one half off. Spend 15, get 5 extra care bucks with a limit of 1. So as you guys can see here at my store, the women's and the men's deodorants are both priced at $7.99. If your store is priced like mine at $7.99, you can get the men's or the women's, doesn't matter. I just went ahead and grabbed 7 of the women's. 3 are going to be priced at $7.99. The other 3 are going to be half off for $3.99. So for all 6 of them, it's going to be $35.95 because, like I said, it is buy one, get one half off. So $7.99 for 3 of them. The other 3 are going to be $3.99, $35.95 for all 6 of them before coupons. And if you happen to have this $12 off 30 for the Degree, stick, or dry spray, go ahead and apply that. It's a really good coupon. And then we are going to be using 3 of these $5 manufacturer coupons that came out in the 6-5 save. So $35.95 minus that 12 off 30 CRT and $15 from the manufacturer coupons. We are left to pay $8.95, but we do get 5 extra care bucks, leaving these to pay, not to pay, after the extra care bucks for $3.95 or only 66 cents each. So if you have those manufacturer coupons, go ahead and use them up this week because we are getting cheap, really cheap deodorant. So another good deal on deodorant is gonna be on the Speed Stick. They're gonna be on sale 2 for $6, and then on promotion when you buy 2, you're gonna get 3 extra care bucks with a limit of 1. So like I said, they are priced 2 for $6. We're going to go ahead and pick 2 of these up. Like I said, it is going to be $6. I don't have any CRTs, no digitals, no paper coupons, none of that. So we are going to pay $6, but we are going to get 3 extra care bucks for buying 2. So after the extra care bucks, these are like paying $3 or only $1.50 each. Now you might think that for Speed Stick it is a little expensive. So if you have any CRTs, go ahead and add them. I went ahead and added this deal because in my opinion, this is a pretty good deal for having no coupons. So a really good newbie friendly deal that you should take advantage of. So I'm going to give you 2 options on this. Spend 30, get 10. Spend 45, get 15. It is back again this week. So we are going to be using a scenario just getting Huggies diapers. So the Huggies, the pull-ups, good nights, little swimmers, or any Huggies new leaves are going to be on sale 2 for $23. And part of that promotion, when you spend 30, you're going to get 10 extra care bucks, or spend 45, get 15. As you guys can see here, my store is totally wiped out of the pull-ups. So I'm going to go ahead and do this deal with a good night. So like I said, it's 2 for $23. So for all 4 of them, it's going to be $46. We are going to be using a CRT that when you spend $30, you're going to save $70. So before I go ahead and jump into this deal, if you have pull-ups, go ahead and use the pull-ups instead. Like I said, here at my store, I don't have any. So before coupons, it is going to be $46, but I am going to be using this 7 off 30 CRT. I have mentioned to you guys multiple times how you can get these types of coupons. So 2 for $23. So for all 4 of them, it's going to be $46. But we are going to be using that save $7 when you spend 30. And then I have or you can use some manufacturer coupons. We're going to be using 4 of these $3 manufacturer coupons that came out in the 6-5 smart stores, if I'm not mistaken, with a worth of $3 when you buy 1. So $46 minus that 7 off 30, and then $12 from the manufacturer paper coupons. After coupons, we are left to pay only $27, but since we did spend $45, we are going to get that $15 in extra care bucks. So paying 27, getting back 15. So after them 15 extra care bucks, it is like we are left to pay $12 or only $3 per bag, which I don't think is a bad deal at all. I always tell you guys, if you need diapers and you can get them for less than $5, go ahead and take advantage. So if your store allows you to use 4 of them $3 manufacturer coupons, go ahead and use it. My store allows for like coupons, so if your store allows it, go ahead and use them. So I'm going to give you guys a second option for that spend 30, get 10 with some household items. So we're going to be picking up some Charmin, we're going to be picking up some Bounty, and we're going to be picking up some detergent. So starting off with some Charmin, these are going to be on sale for $9.99. It is the 8 equals, if I'm not mistaken, 8 equals 32 mega rolls, or it can be the 12 mega rolls. Here at my store, I don't think they carry it, or they're always out of stock. But we are going to be also getting some Bounty, the 6 equals 9. These are also going to be on sale for $9.99. So for our last item, we're going to be getting some Tide. Now you can get either the Tide Pods or the Tide liquid detergent. Doesn't matter. We have digitals for both of them. Pick whatever you need. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead and get the liquid detergent. Like I said, it is priced at $12.99. So we have the Charmin at $9.99, the Bounty at $9.99. For each one of these, we are going to be using the 25-cent digital coupons that we have. And then for the Tide, that's priced at $12.99, I'm going to be using this $2 digital. If you pick up the Tide Pods, make sure you use the other Tide Pod digital, but like I said, you can pick whatever you want, whatever you need. So before coupons, all of these are going to be $32.97. Now, for this second scenario, I forgot to mention, I think I did mention it, that it is a limit of 1. So you can do the diaper deal or you can do this deal, but you have to pick just one because it is a limit of 1. But on this deal, I'm also going to be adding that 7 off 30 CRT that we get through text. So $32.97 minus that 7 off 30, and then the $2 for the Tide, the 25-cent for the Charmin, and then the 25-cent for the Bounty. We are left to pay $23.47, but we are going to get 10 extra care bucks back. So after the extra care bucks, these are like, if we are left to pay $13.47 or only $4.49 each, which I don't think is a bad deal at all. It's like we are getting these for half off. So if you need them, go ahead and get them. So that is it for everything. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let me know if you guys are gonna let this week sit out and wait until next week and see what we have, because we do have that repeated spend 30 get 10, spend 45 get 15 deal again, practically with the same deals as we have been getting for the past week. So let me know if you're going to take advantage of them. If not, thank you so much for watching. Anyway, subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.